so that a high-level software can depend on a low-level software to manage the hardware for it. For example, application software depends on the operating system software to interface with hardware. The operating system software instructs the hardware directly, uses BIOS to provide the instructions, and uses device drivers, which are included with every piece of hardware. Software also uses memory addresses so that we can have many different types of applications running at the same time. As a matter of fact, we can use application software, operating system software, and BIOS and device driver software all at the same time because each has its own memory address. Let's focus on operating system software closer. Operating system software is written to support specific hardware and software, and it contains interfaces. There are many different types of interfaces. A command-driven interface is usually indicated with a C prompt. DOS was a program that started with a command-driven interface, and we still use command-driven interfaces to do some configuration, especially with TCP/IP configuration in networks. There are also menu-driven interfaces that we take for granted today in programs like Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows 2000. And icon-driven interfaces are also another type of graphical user interface that operating systems use. Let's talk about some processing terms in regards to software.